18 minus 9 gives us 9, and then 9 divided by 9 gives us 1, and then 1 times 3 gives us 3. Do you think that's the right answer? 18 minus 9 divided by 9 times 3. Unfortunately, that's not the right answer because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. And if you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, yes, for God's sake, there is, because this would create a chaos in mathematics and algebra. So let's learn this international convention, which is called PEMDAS, and it is an acronym. So let's see what PEMDAS is. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first, search for parentheses, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division, but keep in mind from left to right, they have the same precedence and priority. So MD or DM does not matter. And finally, go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. That being said, let's revisit our original problem. Ask yourself, do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. Do we have any exponents? No, we don't. No exponents. So we just have subtraction, division, multiplication, but multiplication and division, they have higher priorities than subtraction. So we must do these two at first, but how? From left to right. Okay, so let's write down everything. 18 minus 9 divided by 9 gives us 1, and then times 3. We still have one more multiplication to do, but because here we have a subtraction. So 18 minus 1 times 3 gives us 3. And just one subtraction, 18 minus 3 gives us 15. And that's the final answer because we followed the correct order of operations. So for your homework, I wrote it down here. I added parentheses and raised it to the power of 2. So make sure to drop your answers for this homework in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe, please, to your channel. Subscribe Prime Logic to support me and to motivate me. And I'll see you on the next video. All the best to you, to my dear students.